In this video, I'm going to show you how to do this assignment, LED on when dark. There are two parts to the assignment. In the first part, you'll enter the code that I provided here and make the program operational. Call me when you're done and show me that in fact it is operational. In the second part of the assignment, you're going to modify this code and add additional features. And once you have your program operational and verified, you can copy and paste the code into the text box below to complete your assignment. I'm going to start out by setting up your Cortex. You're going to use one light sensor and one LED. The light sensor is going into analog port 1. That's this first port on the analog side. And you'll plug the LED into digital port 12, and that's these ports here, this second to the last port. Once you have the Cortex connected to the PC and operational with these sensors installed, you could start RobotC. Start up by selecting New File and opening up Motor and Sensor Setup. Under Analog Sensors, in LN1, enter light sensor, and then in the pull-down menu, select the light sensor. Enter the variable name just as I show it here with a small L and a capital S with no space in between the two words. Select your digital sensors, and in digital port 12 type in red, just as I show here, lowercase. And then in the pull-down menu, select VEX LED. Select OK. Notice that RobotC enters these first two lines of code for you automatically, and they define your ports. Your program goes between these two curly brackets. I'm going to cut and paste it from my notepad. And your program should look like that. I'm going to compile the program and check for bugs. First, it asks me to save it. If you have any errors, they'll show up down here. Once it's bug-free and compiled without any errors, you could download it to your robot by selecting here. If it was successful, you should see this menu here, your debug menu, and to start your program, you select Start. One thing to notice is down here are your two sensors, and under this tab, Sensors, they should be here. Your first sensor, light sensor, is here, and you notice as I cover the light sensor, the value here changes as I cover the sensor. And when I do cover it, currently the VEX LED shows a value of 0. That means that the LED is off. If I cover my light sensor, you notice that the value of the LED reads now 1, which means that the LED is on. To modify your program, select Stop, close this window, and you can go back to editing your program. If you make any edits, you can compile your program and then download it to the VEX Cortex once again to run your program.